Hi, this is Chef Don here, and I'm here today with my good friend Joe Sims. Hi, Jim.
Now, Chef, word on the street is that you make your delicious pizzas from scratch.
You know what? You're absolutely right, and I'm proud to say that we make homemade pizza dough every single day for the ORU students.
Oh, that's amazing. Let's get the dough and go.
I need for you to roll the dough with a docker.
Okay. I guess you could say I'm rolling in the dough.
Oh my. We're gonna add our sauce. So go ahead and start adding sauce.
Chef, I can see how it's easy to get lost in the sauce.
I don't even know what to say there. Now the pizza's sauced, we're gonna add the cheese.
Okay, now, Chef Don, I don't mean to sound cheesy, but this is starting to look good. When is it time for me to taste it?
Okay, hold your cheesy horses. So we're gonna start just placing pepperonis all on the pizza.
How often does a pepperoni disappear when you're making a pizza?
Well,
just like that.
just like that. Now we need to cook it.
Okay.
And we're gonna cook it in the pizza oven at 400 degrees for about 4 minutes.
That's hot, Chef Don.
That is hot.
Ooh-wee. It's looking good, Chef Don.
While you're tasting that, ORU students, please come by to the pizza station. If you have any requests for any specialty pizzas that you guys like, let us know.
This is another Chef Don masterpiece.
Awesome. Look forward to y'all coming back soon. See you soon, Golden Eagles.